Do you know yawning has many benefits? Yes. In today's video, let's see about top 10 benefits of yawning. Yawning increases blood flow and cools down the brain. Ear pain, discomfort, and hearing problems, caused by change in altitudes in airplanes, and even elevators, can be relieved by yawning. Yawning increases oxygen supply to the brain. Yawning allows air into the lower lungs, to keep them healthy. Yawn helps to release chemicals from your body. When you start to yawn, powerful stretching of the jaw increases blood flow in the neck, face, and head. Just reading or thinking about yawning makes us yawn. Yawning helps with deep relaxation and reduces stress. A new study says that the size of a yawn can be used to predict the size of one's brain. Researchers at the State University of New York studied 19 species, including humans, and found yawning stimulants for brain growth. If you feel yawning while watching this video, like, comment, and subscribe for online Alosanai.